Good morning, everyone. How's it?
Good.
Okay, we did not rehearse this. A client of mine phones me up one day and he says, "Hey dude, I see you've gone big." I say, "Like, what are you on about?" He says, "Your billboard." I say, "What billboard?" He says, "The billboard on the M1 in prime real estate territory." I say, "What are you talking about?" He says, "There's a UGRs billboard." He sends me the photo. He says, "There it is." I say, "It's not a UGRs billboard. It's an M&D group of companies billboard." You see, if you know UGRs, you know the words around here. And when you see the words around here, you can never again forget that you are talking about UGRs. So we're working today with the second group of UGRs champions for M&D group of companies. They were M&D Construction when I started working with them 2 years ago. They have quadrupled in size and are now M&D Construction Group, having acquired numerous subsidiaries here and internationally. We've trained up 120 champions for them. We did it in 2 different groups, 60 2 weeks ago over 2 days, and then again 60 over the last 2 days. What the champions today are doing, they were joined by their executive team, and they are giving them feedback on everything that's happened over the last 2 days. Right now, though, they're sharing with their executive team personal experiences of the last 2 days. What they've really learned, what they're taking away, what they're going to do differently, and what they're going to do about driving the values and the positive aspirational UGRs.